Hello, today we are doing something new. We are going to be doing masculine makeup. This is the makeup I used for my law cosplay. By now you should know the process. It is moisturizer, primer, and now we're adding some foundation to get rid of all the blemishes and under our eye, the bags. We're going to be putting on a lot of makeup in this. We are now using another foundation and our concealer to, again, cover up some areas. You want to use a lot of concealer to make a lot of areas brighter. You can see the areas right here, and then you just want to smooth those out and blend them in. We go back and forth a lot to perfect the look in my eyes, but again, this is going to be a lot of makeup compared to previous videos. You're going to want to really blend this in, and then we're going to go in with a lot of brown eyeshadow. It's better if you actually have the correct stuff for this. I do not, but again, you really want to highlight and make these features very pronounced and sharper for the male masculine makeup. Again, it's not just male based, anybody can use this, but this is what I used to do the last cosplay. Then we're going in with the clear powder, and again we're going in with the brown eyeshadow, going a lot of back and forth brown eyeshadow to make your eyebrows look more full, thicker under the eyes, and just really blend this stuff in around the eyes again, going over the jaw again. This is all with the brown eyeshadow because we just really want to make these features pop and make our structure look more masculine. Now we're going in with some bronzer, and then we're going to be going in with some highlight. And now we're going to be using a bit of concealer on our lips. We want to make them very light. I ended up removing a bit, and then we added some powdered foundation. You want to be very careful with the highlight. I removed a lot of it. You just want a very small amount. And then you want to go in again with the brown eyeshadow and make these features very pronounced under the eyes again. We won't be using eyeliner on this. It's just a lot of back and forth until you get it out where you want it. That's all I can really say. It depends on what you're trying to do, but this is my take on the more masculine side of makeup. Again, anybody can use this. Makeup is not masculine or feminine or anything like that. But yeah, you also want to make sure you drink coffee because that's the key part to this. Where you want to do like facial hair, you will want to make it a bit darker to add a bit of a shadow. You can see that right here. This is what I look like, and then I did add the freckles, and then I showed what it looked like after that. But the freckles you don't need to do. I just wanted to see what it looked like with the freckles, so that is why we were adding them. I'm honestly sorry, I don't really know what to say showing these, but enjoy the prolonged eye contact. Like, this is kind of uncomfortable rewatching this. Just enjoy. Yeah, it's great, isn't it? Beautiful. Anyways, this is what I look like, and I do put a hat on because men typically wear their hats above their head and not push them down, so we tried that out, and it did make us, yeah. To top it up, put a hat on that doesn't exactly go down on your head. Like, make sure there's a big gap